So I guess we know how to write an article now, and we got our great article up here. But why don't we take the chance and use this article for more than just, publishing it on a website? People like to watch videos, so why don't we use this article as a base for an entire YouTube video? And to create such a video, a script is very helpful. So we can use ChatGPT to create a YouTube video script. It can of course also be for any kind of other platform, but this should be specifically a YouTube video. And we just tell ChatGPT that the base for the script should be the full article. Again, we'll start with the simplified approach, so I'll just tell ChatGPT to create a script for a YouTube video based on the full article, to make sure it doesn't consider the executive summary instead. Now let's see where this pretty vague prompt leads us to. So this is a nice first step at least, but as we saw it for the article, it is pretty generic. Therefore, once again, we should be more precise about what our video should look like, and therefore we should again add some constraints here. The core idea is basically the same that we saw for the article. So constraints that make sense for a YouTube video are, for example, defining the video length. Typically, YouTube videos should not be longer than 10 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes. We should think about the video style. In my case, I want to target a younger audience, and therefore I want to have a very engaging and fast-paced video style. So new topics should be introduced quickly. I don't want to have these deep dives or these detailed discussions about a specific topic. I also want to have a description about the video footage that should be shown. We saw this in the first version already, but I want to be very explicit about that factor. And I also want to have some background music. Obviously, ChatGPT cannot add background music, but I want to have a description of the type of background music that should be played when required. So with these constraints in mind, I'll edit my YouTube script request here, and I'll add the following prompt. So here I again assign a role to ChatGPT. It should not be a YouTube content creator, and I add all the things I just mentioned on the slide. I just stick to 5 minutes here to not make the output too long. And I also need a video name, which wasn't displayed here in the first version, and I also want to have a video thumbnail. So with this update, we now hopefully get a more detailed script for our YouTube video. As you see, it starts already with a fitting video name, and we also get a short description of the video thumbnail. More importantly, we also get time slots for specific sections, including the background music, the description of the background music, once again the footage, and now also the voiceover that matches the specific time frame we have right here. And this is now the final output. We have a well-structured script here. As you know, your output will look different, but no matter what you get right here, with these more precise constraints and with instructing ChatGPT about what you want to have and what you need, you get again at least a very, very good starting point for your YouTube video. And if you compare our second version again with the initial version, then I guess we made a great progress and get better results by just adding one well-thought prompt here.